morning, guys. We woke up around 3 a.m. but it's almost 5. We're going na. We're going to Dahilayan. Yay! Finally, we are here at Dahilayan Adventure Park after that 1 hour and 30 minutes ride. It's a beautiful day, really kayo init, and we are here at Dahilayan Adventure Park, and we are trying all zipline courses, and hopefully we can do some sky drop. Alright, kasi guys can. But ang sa kay Dudo. Hey guys, actually gutom namin, then dugay kayo mo order sa Pine Grove Mountain Lodge. Gutom na. I think it's almost 20 minutes and wala pa para mo order. Yeah. Basically, we're just wasting our time here sitting. Diba? Finally the food is served, and let's see if it's worth it. Kalit mo na eh. And we're preparing to have our zip line in Town. So we're trying out zipline in Dahilayan Forest or Dahilayan Adventure Park. Last tagaw. Sige lang. See?
Hindi ko nga makadang sa tingog bro.
Hindi na madunggan kaya hangin ba na? And we are up to the next,
The shorter one!
yeah.
Sir, itago mong abs. Okay naman di ay, diri na.
Di naman kita ko
Down,
abs.
taas
Taliksik siya.
3, 2, 1, and go!
Next! Woo!
Dito ka tuyok. Wala. Dapat sa zipline, guys. Ano to? O, ito siya.
Kumusta man si? Kumusta ang zipline?
Hey, Ram!
Gusto niya? Conquered Fear. Kaya mo na yung pinaka... Kaya na!
Kanong pinakataas?
Oo!
Sige.
Hey guys, we're done with the zip courses. Sakto ba? Zipline. Sa mga zipline. And we're heading to the one nga akong gihulat diri, which is the drop zone. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
For Dahilayan is next.
And we just conquered the drop zone. Woo! Ako likod. Yun na yun, mga to. J&J conquered drop zone. Zone, Mahay or Lipay?
Mahay! Lipay!
Lipay.
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 Taligon.
Malupay.
Lipay, uy. Ayaw pa.
Boy Lipay. Boy Lipay.
Boy Lipay.
Ay, Boy Mahay, Boy Mahay.
Lipay ko na to. Lipay pa ko na to.
Ang conjud.
Lipay.
Lipay talaga ang
Don't forget to like and subscribe my... Ah! Balik!